You spend months learning Spanish. You know the grammar, you know the vocabulary. Maybe you even think you're fluent. But today, you're walking into a real Spanish-speaking restaurant. No subtitles, no translator, just you and the waiter. Your goal is simple: survive. If you fail the last level, you're officially still a textbook learner. Let's see how far you make it. Level 1. You walk in. Waiter, buenas, para uno. Easy. He's asking if the table is for one person. Most learners survive this level. Let's keep going. The waiter comes back. ¿Qué le pongo? Wait. He didn't ask ¿qué quiere comer? Native speakers usually don't. They say ¿qué le pongo? ¿Qué le pongo simply means what can I get for you? So let's order. You say quiero una hamburguesa. Everything's going great until the waiter asks this. Con todo sin cebolla con la salsa aparte. Now your brain starts buffering. What happened? First, con todo means con todo. Second, he spoke twice as fast as your Spanish teacher. He's asking, do you want everything on it? No onions or the sauce on the side? Still with me? Good, because now something goes wrong. Level 4. Bad news. A few minutes later, the waiter comes back. Oye, se nos acabó la carne. Te llevo otra vaina. If you understood that, you're doing really well. He's saying, we're out of beef. Want me to bring you something else? And yes, he said, vaina. In many countries like the Dominican Republic, Colombia, and Venezuela, that word can mean almost anything. Level 5. Tip you finished eating. The waiter walks over one last time. Hermano, ¿te das la cuenta de una o va a pedir algo más? Not subtitles. Did you understand it? He's asking, do you want the bill now or are you ordering something else? If you got that, congratulations. You just survived a real restaurant conversation. If not, don't worry, because this is exactly how native speakers actually talk. So, how far did you get? Level 1, level 3, or did you survive the world restaurant? Comment your score below. And if you want to understand real Spanish instead of textbook Spanish, join my all-access membership. I'll help you understand conversations like this and sound more natural when you speak. Quick shout out to the channel members. Bayu Water TV, Juicy 59, Access Troy, God Cage, Pork Shop for Peter, Live Your Life 08, Kai 2022.